Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In today's video, I'll show you how to pre-order the iPhone 17 Pro Max on the Apple Store. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with others. Let me know in the comments section below which iPhone you're buying. To buy the iPhone 17 Pro or Max, open the Apple Store app on your iPhone or iPad Pro, navigate to the iPhone 17 Pro section and click on the pre-order button. You'll then be taken to a screen where you can select the iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max model based on your preference. Next, choose your desired color and storage capacity. Click on Add to Bag to proceed. You'll then be redirected to the checkout page. Here, you can choose your preferred checkout method, store pickup or delivery to your address, and enter. Once you've completed the checkout process, you'll receive an email notification from Apple confirming your order. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and see you in my next video.